Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 8.4-inch sharp display from 2 CCFL with a mount on one side to our UB54 series LED kits. This LED kit includes one LED strips, 6-pin pigtail connector, and LED drivers. Okay, so let's set it aside and we can take a look at the screen. It's made by Sharp, LQ084S3DG01. It has two CCFL mount on one side. You see this screw here. It's quite simple for this one. You just have to unscrew it and pull out. Okay, just grab the wire, pull out. See, but the lamp is bad. So make sure it's clean, and then basically you don't need to peel all this thing off. You just stick it in, stick it in. And then what I will recommend is if you purchase kit for this kit, you also will purchase for the additional aluminum foil. Our part number is called UB54220 heat sinks. Okay, it's a little bit longer. You can make it short. It's so that way. The reason you need this, or you can use anything, whatever. You can make sure push up this. Let me show it to you. See. Push up this LED strip against a light guiding glass, so that way you get maximum brightness. And then, so what I would like to do is that I'm gonna bend this a little bit, so that way I could just push in like this. So I'm gonna cut probably about this. Again, we have this available on the website. Okay, all right. So basically, you just do it like you bend a little bit, nice and tight. You push all the way. You see this? So, and then you're gonna add a piece of tape here and then secure it. And I have a controller board here. We can fire up and take a look at the difference. So I just add a piece of tapes and then connect here. You can connect either one. I have my controller board here. So this thing you can peel off or mount it any way you want to, or mount it back to your old CCFL inverter location. It's good too. So this is TDL. Let me. I already turned my signal generator on already. So wow, see how it is? It's almost like 15 minutes. Then you got a very bright screen. Thank you for watching.